Hello there, YouTube. I am back with the Smith Corona dictionary typewriter. And this is something that I found out. It actually has a demonstration program on it. Yes, a typewriter with a little program on it. Power it up. And this is it. You press code and then Z. It actually says it right here. And watch what it does. It's advertising itself. Is what it's doing. And that's what it does when it bold prints. So it advertise itself by hitting code and Z. And this is what it typed. Hello, I'm the newest in design from Smith Corona. Notice my 16-character display. This display will allow you to type text, review it, and correct it line by line to ensure 100% accuracy before printing on paper. The display will also allow you to take full advantage of my 75,000 word spell check dictionary. That's right, I will beep each time you misspell or incorrectly type a word. And if you do not know how to spell it correctly, use the list feature to display the correct spelling and automatically insert it. And I'm not going to read it all. But anyway, that's something interesting I noticed about it. And also, I don't know what that buzzing was, but I think it's coming down here from down here in the power supply thing. You remember from my other video of this, it was buzzing. But yeah, it'll let you know if it's incorrectly spelled. But there we have it, Smith Corona display dictionary typewriter with the demo. And I will be uploading later on.